Hello, everybody. Actually, there's nobody right now, but I just logged in a little sooner because I wanted to make sure that I log in properly and correctly. I'm doing it from this page the first time, so I didn't really know. Last time I tried logging in from my laptop, it didn't work. So I'll wait for some time, and if nobody logs in, I'm still going to send some healings which can be received by whoever watches the video a little later. Hi Preeti, hi both the Preetis. Good to see you guys here. Both the Preetis who have logged in, you guys are known to me, so thank you so much for logging in. And also, both of you have cervical, so name common, problem common. Hello, Sharad. So, this is the first time I'm going to give healings online, and it so happened that in one on during one of my meditation sessions, I kind of got this thing that why not reach out to more people by doing this. So this is the first attempt, and I'm sure I'm going to do it every week, and I hope that I'll be able to reach out to more people. Physical aches and pains are quicker to handle because the emotional issues are deep rooted, and so that's why this time. Uh, Thank you so much, Sharad. That's really kind of you. So, Preeti and Preeti, I know your issue. You have, so if um, I'm going to send the healing for that. And Sharad, if you're having any physical issue, any pain or anything which you want to share here, please do that so that I can include that in the healing. that the number of people has increased, but I can't see any message or I can't see who has joined in. Uh, I'm not sure. Okay, Sharad is down with cold. It's okay, Sharad, even if you don't have anything, I can just send some healing for your general well being and, of course, for your cold. Preeti, both the Preetis, if you also want to share any physical issue other than your cervical, please let me know. I'll be sending healing to one person at a time so that it is just, more energized instead of sending a group healing. So I'll begin with Sharad. I'm just going to quickly do a small prayer. Sharad, I would like you to just close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath and just be calm. You can rub your palms and place it on your either on your nose or on your eyes. That will help you to absorb the energy which I send. Thank you, Sharad. Sharad, I feel a little heaviness in your aura, especially around your heart chakra, and I'm not sure if you're going through some kind of stress or is it something like physically, which is you're facing some issue, blood pressure or something like that, but slightly the aura seems a little heavy, and the heart chakra also seemed a little heavy to me. Hi, Payal. So this is for Preeti Channa. Uh, Headache on the left side also along with the cervical. Preeti, while doing your healing, the word Princeton is still working for me. I've been healing my cold shoulder with that, and I kind of see a lot of movement in my shoulder. So, Sharad, there is no need to pay. This is just a gratitude healing session. I'm guided to do this, so uh, just if at all you want to do something to end the energy exchange, kindly feed a dog or just donate 10 rupees in the temple or something like that. Preeti, this is for you. The other Preeti, not Preeti Jain, Preeti C. Preeti, close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath and sit with your palms open as to receive the energy. Thank you, Preeti. Hi, Ruchika. Good to see you. How have you been? Ruchika is my friend from Bangalore. That was way back when I was in Bangalore, and I'm so glad to see you, Ruchika. Sure, Ruchika, I'll send you healing after Preeti Jain. Okay? Preeti, just close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath. Just rub your palms and with your palm facing upward to receive the energy being sent to you. Thank you, Preeti. Okay, Payal, you complained about your lower back pain, the stomach being upset also. Like I tell you always, this has got to do with the stresses which you are going through. And the stomach issue is also because you are not able to really digest what is happening around you and your emotions. Uh, if you haven't really made peace with what is happening in life right now, the stomach issue will keep cropping up due to the undigested emotions and feelings. And I'm so sorry that I just forgot to call you, and I'm going to do that today itself. And I'm sending you this healing for your lower back. Payal, please rub your palms and place both your palms just where your spine ends on your back. जहाँ पे आपका स्पाइन खत्म होता है वहां ऐसे करके अपना हाथ रखिए प्लीज. पायल बहुत इन्फ्लेमेशन फील हो रहा है. It's quite inflamed, the portion on your backside, uh, especially on your left side. I can feel there is a little heaviness. Payal, I'm going to send you an affirmation which you should do for the next 7 days, and it'll help you to kind of manage your pain and uh, your emotion. Thank you, Preeti, Preeti C, and thank you, Sharad ji. Thank you, Preeti, Jen. Hi, Neeta. Ruchika, I'm sending you some emotional healing so that you feel a little calmer. I would like you to please rub your palms, close your eyes, bring your focus to your breath. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And now place both your hands on your heart like this, you know. Place both your hands on your heart and say to yourself in your mind, I'm blessed, I'm calm and peaceful. Okay, as I send you healing, please keep saying, I'm blessed, calm, and peaceful. Ruchika, is your anxiousness related to your daughter by any chance? I can just feel that there is some heaviness like that. And the other thing is that I would like you to please continue with the affirmation as and when you feel very anxious. Also, it will be a good idea to kind of take a salt water bath at least 2 times a week. Just mix maybe half a spoon of salt in your bucket once you've taken a bath. So थोड़ा सा पानी में salt मिला के and just not on your head, just pour it on the rest of your body and say that whatever I don't need right now is dissolved in the water. Hi Akansha, good to see you too. Hi Saul Panu. I hope I'm pronouncing your name fine, in the right way. I mean, Neeta, Akansha, do you have anything, any discomfort, or you know? Yes. So I'll be sending this healing for Saul Panu. This is discomfort in stomach, upper abdomen. Behind my back. I have discomfort in stomach, behind my back, in the middle area, and ringing in the ears. Okay. Since when have you been having the ringing in the ears? Thank you, Ruchika. That's really kind of you. I hope you feel better soon. Okay, for Sol Panu, please rub your palms and put your hands in your ear on your ears and affirm to yourself, I hear what I need to know and understand. I hear what I need to know and understand. I hear what I need to know and understand. And now rub your palms and put them in the area where, on the stomach, where it's aching or the discomfort is there. Sol, I feel a lot of heat right now for Sol Panu, and I would like to know since when this discomfort has been there. Um, is there any kind of anger or is there any kind of emotion like sadness, sorrow, guilt, anything which you are holding? Uh, it's it seems very very warm here, and Please ping me separately on like send me an inbox message, Sol Panu. I'm going to send you some affirmation for the discomfort, and also share on my personal message window if what is it that is happening like emotionally to you. Okay, you're saying that automatically anger comes since I came to know about myself. Okay. Uh, so you know that is the that is causing a lot of heat. I felt a lot of heat around your stomach area, and this needs to be addressed. So you know, writing your thoughts in a journal can help you understand what is really happening to you. So it will be a good idea to do that. Okay, Akansha and Neeta, you both are left. And Akansha, this is for your husband Ashutosh. He's having severe back pain. Sure. Uh, कहाँ पे आकांक्षा लोअर बैक और अपर बैक I can feel a little on the middle to lower because वहाँ पे एनर्जी बहुत ही हैवी है. आकांक्षा मैंने भेज दिया है हीलिंग. उनका एनर्जी लेकिन काफी डेंस है. लोअर बैक पेन मतलब स्पेशली लाइक इट्स वेरी सिवियर टू ऑन द लोअर साइड ऑफ द बैक. सो आई होप ही गेट्स सम रिलीफ. टेम्परेरी होगा अभी के लिए बट आई होप ही फील्स बेटर. हाय महक. श्योर. थायराइड एंड नी पेन. थायराइड. महक क्या एक्सप्रेस नहीं करती हो. खूब एक्सप्रेस किया करो, कम्युनिकेट किया करो, बॉटल मत करो अंदर कुछ भी. Most of the women they encounter thyroid problems because they bottle up their feelings, emotions and pain. So okay, so for Mehak and Mandeep, because you both are saying for thyroid, I'm going to send the healing combined to Mehak and Mandeep. um, okay, so both Mehak and Mandeep, please Uh, Neeta, I'm sorry, I forgot. मैं इसके बाद it's your turn. Mehak and Mandeep, both rub your palms and affirm to yourself, I'm blessed with good health and peace. I'm blessed with good health and peace. Mehak, you place your palms on your knees, and Mandeep, you place your palms on your navel. Mehak, please affirm, thank you for bearing all the pain, anger, and trauma, and thank you for helping me to move on. Mehak, every day when you wake up, uh, or whenever you have time when you're sitting idle, please place both your hands on your knees and rub them with your hands softly and affirm to them, and like just as if you were talking to them if they had life. Please say, thank you so much for bearing everything for me. एंड जैसे हम प्यार से सहलाते हैं, अगर किसी बच्चे को ऐसे करके अपने नीज को सहला के गिव देम एनर्जी एवरी डे. But you can even use take a coconut oil or any kind of oil, rub them in your palm and send loving healing energy to it and rub on your knees. It will help you. I have personally experienced this. And Mandeep, please journal your thoughts to see the root cause of your anger. There seems to be a lot of accumulation, and I see a lot of red near your navel chakra. So, segregate your thoughts and see that what is the reason for this anger. So, it is not useless anger, and unless you address the issue, it will kind of stick to you. Yes, Preeti, sure. So, Preeti, I'll need to know your husband's name to connect to him. Till then, I'm sending this healing to Neeta. Neeta, I hope you're still online, and I'm sorry I missed your name, beach mein. So this healing is for Neeta. Neeta, close your eyes. Take a deep breath and rub your palms and place your right palm anywhere on the left side of your body and affirm to yourself, I accept you. I love you. I accept you the way you are. I balance my masculine energy with my feminine energy. Neeta, मैं तुझे फोन करके I'll ask you what specifically is paining. The whole left side seems pretty heavy. I know this issue has been there, so मैं कॉल करके मैं तुम्हारा affirmation भी modify कर दूंगी थोड़ा सा. And I hope you're feeling much better. I'm sorry I haven't checked today and yesterday on you. So, okay, Preeti, this is for Mr. Rakesh Trivedi. Where did you say the pain is? Lower back and upper back. Okay, the back is only paining. Okay. Preeti, lot of stored. I mean, I guilt stands out very prominently to me as I send healing, and a lot of baggage stored from the past is what I could see. So, um, I mean, I've sent the healing, but that is something which you need to kind of check with him and help him to. Now that you're a Reiki student yourself, a Reiki practitioner, sorry, so help him release if he has anything like that. राधिका, मैं हीलिंग दूंगी, मैं आपको एक एफर्मेशन भी मैसेज करूंगी फॉर द ब्लड प्रेशर. इट हैज रियली वर्कड वंडर फॉर वन ऑफ माय अदर क्लाइंट्स. सो आप उसको चैंट करके देखना इफ इट हेल्प्स यू. Also the blood pressure will be related to if you're going through some stress. And I think पिछली बार हमने तुम्हारा टैरो रीडिंग भी किया था, तब भी ये बार बार आ रहा था. So you kind of holding on to something. Hello Vijay ji, hello Vijay Kanse. So you're holding on to something, which you need to release. But yes, for now, I'm going to send some healing to your heart chakra for you to feel a little better. Radhika, I get the word job. I don't know if it's related or if it makes any sense or not, but um, I mean, if anything is related to that, you could check on that. Okay, so with Rima, this is the last healing now. I This is for Rima for her knee pain. Rima, close your eyes and bring your focus to your breath and rub your palms and place them on your knees. Rima, I can feel some heaviness on the shoulders also actually. So Rima, any one particular knee is paining for you more? Is it the right one? Um, ओके, सो रीमा, आप भी जैसे मैंने महक को बोला, आप भी रोज अपने हैंड्स को रब करके अपने नीज पे रख के एंड उनको एकदम प्यार से आराम से सहला के रोज उनको थैंक यू बोलो। थोड़ा सा ऑयल, कोकोनट ऑयल या कुछ लेके, एंड यू टेल देम थैंक यू फॉर बेयरिंग एवरीथिंग फॉर मी। जो हमारे नीज होते हैं वो हमारी बॉडी का वेट, हमारे बहुत सारे इमोशंस और हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें स्टोर करते हैं। इवन अ लॉट ऑफ बैगेज फ्रॉम द पास्ट ऑल्सो comes and rests on a knee. So do that, regularly. It will help you to ease out your pain. Also, guys, थायराइड के लिए, नी पेन के लिए, इवन फॉर दैट मैटर एंगर एक्सेट्रा के लिए, you guys can use batch flower remedies. They're really helpful. क्या पूजा भारती फालतू में क्या? सो अगर आप बैच फ्लावर रेमेडीज भी यूज कर सकते हैं, दैट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू। एंड सो जस्ट डू दैट। आई एम सो सॉरी, आई जस्ट इनके मैसेज से मेरा ध्यान थोड़ा भटक गया। But I hope that Reiki energy really helps you all a lot, and whatever you are going through, all the aches and pains may be surrendered and blessed and taken away by the divine. Thank you so much, everybody, and I hope you have a great day ahead.